Hello, viewers. A very lovely afternoon to everyone. Today I am here with a very famous saying where there is a will, there is a way. I repeat, a very famous saying where there is a will, there is a way. हिंदी में भी हम लोग आम करके कहते हैं जहां चाह वहां राह. It means if we want to achieve something, definitely that thing is going to be with us. But there is a condition. Always, whatever these sayings are, honesty is the best policy, Rome was not built in a day, where there is a will, there is a way, there is a term or a condition along with this that ये सही है कि जो हम चाहते हैं वो एक दिन हमें ज़रूर मिलेगा, but for that we need to do the hard work. We need to be consistent. We need to be continuously working to achieve that particular goal. For example, if some child says that I want to become a doctor, बहुत सारे बच्चे बचपन में ये बात बोलते हैं मुझे डॉक्टर बनना है, मुझे पायलट बनना है, मुझे इंजीनियर बनना है, एस्ट्रोनॉट बनना है, साइंटिस्ट बनना है. Now, gradually, what happens when the classes, when they come in higher classes, somewhere their dream is lost. They forget because they do not work in that particular way. They have the will, उनको चाहिए वो चीज, but they are not ready to do the hard work. Since my childhood, I always wanted to become a teacher. आप सबको पता होगा कि छोटे बच्चे वैसे भी जब लड़कियां स्कूल से घर आती हैं सब छोटी छोटी लड़कियां अपनी मम्मी का पर्स लेकर सैंडल्स लेकर नॉर्मली जनरली मोस्ट ऑफ द गर्ल्स बिकम टीचर एट देयर होम. अटेंडेंस ले रही हैं, टिक कर रही हैं, प्रेयर करवा रही हैं, बट फोकस gradually it decreases. And what happens when they become elder? They are distracted, somewhere they forget, somewhere their choices are changed. I always wanted to be a teacher. I love to talk to my children. I love to teach. I want to talk to my students more and more. So I have started this YouTube channel also. There are many other reasons also. One, I have already told you few videos back. One is this, that I wanted to get connected with more and more students throughout the world. It's my dream to become an ideal teacher in the eyes of the students globally. For that, I'm trying. For that, I'm working. For that, I am doing some kind of hard work.